Hi students, how are you? Again we have come to our online class arranged by Shabiddin Sarkar Academy and College. Our topic was adolescence. In last class we have discussed something on adolescence. This year, this time we have come. Don't make sound. Sound is disturbing me. This time we have come to our lesson 2. The topic is adolescence and some related problems in Bangladesh. Look at problems. First, problem means we can understand there is some thing which is suffered by all the adolescents. Here, adolescents have to suffer in our country. Who says is adolescents? Above 12, girls 12 to 18, boys 14 to 21. This age is called adolescence. This is the age of preparation, most vulnerable time. Here our basic and everything are made. Our education, our character, our activities, food habit, friendship, social mixture, relations with parents, juniors, seniors, everything are built up. This time, if we face some problem, and these problems sometimes carve our backbone, our future. So this time we have to be very much cautious. And there is another thing we have to say. Most of the time we will try to speak English. Our students are not interested in speaking English. But if everybody speaks Bangla, all the teachers speaks Bangla, where will we learn English? It is not difficult. My speaking is as like as a Bangish. আমরা এটা বাংলাও বলতে পারি. We can say in Bangla. If we do not cultivate the habit of speaking English, where shall we get this habit? We have given the job for speaking English as a lecturer in English, means to speak English. At the very beginning we face some problem. প্রথমে কিছু problem face করব. After 1 day, 2 day or 3 day, just like the Hindi movie. We do not know Hindi. We do not study Hindi. But after watching some movie, we can understand and we can speak. Many young boys, girls, they can speak Hindi, understand Hindi. Similarly, if we cultivate the habit of speaking and listening English, then it is nothing just like a Bangla. It is another language, international language. If we can understand this language, then we can understand the whole world. Sitting here, we can watch classes all over the world. And there are many good and renowned institutions home and abroad. But whenever we will go to abroad, you will see they are speaking in English. So this habit must be developed from here. That is why we will speak English. Please try to listen. And today our topic is adolescence and some related problem. This period, adolescence from 12 to 18 or 21 is a very risky period, a developmental period. We are developing. In this period, we generally become imbalanced because of this development that we did not watch in our boyhood, but now we are watching it. At the same time, we have to be adjust with the social discipline run by society, run by our institution. Otherwise, we will be turned away. We will be slip away from the mainstream. That is our education. That is our result. If we fail to get golden or A plus at least, we will not be able to compete with our career, means our universities, medical, BUET, public university, private university. They want a GPA. How GPA comes? Through our learning. And later on, after the completion of our education, we need a job. But everybody want good job, means good salary. But good job means good salary is related with learning English. We have to deal with the foreigners sitting in our home, but they do not know Bangla. So let us develop it and let's come. That's why in this period we have to be very much careful. Here we can see some photograph. Look at. Here are 5 pictures we can see. It is a textual pictures, photograph. What do we see in photograph number A? We can see a mother carrying a baby. Number 2, what do we see? A boy is smoking. Number C, we see some drugs. Number D, we see a mother is carrying a ill child on her lap. Number E, we see ready to marry, a bride. But this is the story of adolescence. If any mother they marry in this period, they face several problems. At the very beginning comes frustration. They do not want to marry at this time. Everybody has some hope. What is the hope? Either we can reach or not, it does not matter, but at least we try. And if we try, at least we can get we can reach some of our hope. As soon as they are married, they are cut off from their school life. And cut off from school life means cut off from their friendship, cut off from their hope, cut off from their development, cut off from the social structure. They are as arrested in a domestic condition. They have no sense to go out of door alone. In the domestic home, they are bounded with some duties. Take care of in-laws, husbands, and forthcoming children. It is natural. As soon as the mother becomes The mother means she became pregnant and afterwards mother of some children, responsibility increased. Now they have no chance to take care of herself, let alone education. নিজেরই আর টেক কেয়ার করতে পারবে না, এডুকেশন তো দূরের কথা। নাও শি ইজ অলওয়েজ কনসার্নড উইথ হার চিলড্রেন। বাচ্চা মেয়েদের নিয়ে, ছেলে মেয়ে নিয়ে ব্যস্ত। The matter of sorrow is that, বা matter of shocking is that she was married and she was the mother of children when she was not ready. She will be ready means her age will be ready, her body will be ready after 18, and before 18 she was married. The only children problem, only child problem? No, there are some other problems too. She cannot earn any money. Money is needed. She is to depend upon her husband. But in our society, how many are fit husband? We want to show we are fit enough to earn money. Is it so? No, we are unfit. Ours is a poor country, illiterate country. Everybody has lacking. Most of the husbands have lacking in economical solvency, and this problem mother and children suffer from this problem. When economy comes, there comes a question: dowry. Open and on, there to demand dowry from their parents. Why? Her husband is, her in-laws are, they are demanding. But she cannot, she neither can leave this house nor can bring money. She suffers in dilemma. Then comes a great problem. Who is suffering? The mother and children are suffering from malnutrition, experience food problem, lots of problem. They cannot but suffer in this age. So we always think that we will not marry our daughters or boys in this age. Besides, if parents are careless, in photograph number 2, look at smoking. Our many children, they are prone to smoke. Why? Elders smoke. 80% people live in the village, and in the village, in fact, there is no such discipline, no good school, no good school college or any social structure. There is a structure but not good. Father offers their sons to smoke in agricultural field. Sons offer father to smoke. In this way, they develop the habit of smoking, and its systems goes on. We know smoking has a bad effect. A smoker suffers, their children or in their room, in their house, whoever, they are also addicted. In this way they are suffering, let alone education. Drugs similarly destroying our life, we know everybody. Children death, mother's death, it is a normal thing in our country. Whenever anybody dies because of this problem, then and there we want to get relief from this mental pain, showing a lame excuse. What is the lame excuse? Oh, ওর ভাগ্যে এটাই ছিল, আল্লাহ তাকে এই সময় নিবে, এটাই তার লেখা ছিল, তাই আল্লাহর মাল আল্লাহই নিছে। This is our common dialogue. Is it so that আল্লাহর মাল আল্লাহই নিছে? এই ছোট্ট বেবিটা কি দোষ করছে আল্লাহর কাছে তাকে মরতে হলো? তাহলে lack of knowledge. The fact is lack of knowledge. We will not marry our daughter in adolescence. We will marry after crossing adolescent, after being educated and after getting a job. Then mother will understand. She will be fit both physically and both economically. The children will not suffer. Look at the Western countries outside Bangladesh. They do not do it. That's why their rate of mortality is not so high as in Bangladesh. They are doing many things, but we cannot. We just only blame our fate. This is a foolish excuse. Now let us see this girl is frustrated. Now she is driving to marriage. Now before 18 means before youth. Now she's frustrated, but before hearing her marriage she was jovial, she was hopeful, she has a dream of life and doing something. Everything is shattered as soon as she heard she will be married. Then she will be considered just like an animal. So a frustrating mood flashes upon her face. Should we allow her to suffer from this frustration? No. As a parent, we have sister, we have niece, we have nephew, and ultimately we will have a child, we will have children. We want they will flourish. Whereas the whole world, rest of the worlds are jumping with education, with development. Whereas we have allowed, we have a foolish idea in our country. Parents think if we can marry our daughter, then we will be free from burden. They think it's a burden. Or look at our social structure. Do we become free? Are we becoming free? No. Can we become free from this burden? Rather, as soon as we marry them, our burden becomes double and triple. Then we have to take care of her husband, means our son-in-law, and after 1 year or 2 year, 3 year, 2 or 3 children. Then our burden become heavier. Why can we take this foolish decision? Then come the question of supporting them with lot of money, lot of facilities. Wouldn't it be better if we could support them with our single money, single help once she was single? When she will earn, when she will learn to earn money, then she will be married. Then we can marry her. Before that, it's a foolish decision. Then we can see them a jovial face, a delighted face. And we will also away from frustration. Then we can see the successful birth of our children. We will never take this wrong decision. Means we will never push them towards the death, towards a lots of problem. Adolescence is such a thing. We will admit her in a good institution. We will always try to give her balanced food. We will select which foods are needed for her development, for his development. Where is he or she mixing? Whether they are getting proper education or not. Which institution, which teacher can give him proper education. At the same time, we will, at present, there is another cancer has carved our society, that is mobile. We are willingly giving them mobile. Our government has also fallen us, driven us to this danger. Ki do online class. Online class means a mobile we are bound to give them, but they are imbalanced. In mobile there are many things which can destroy our brain, destroy our eyes. Then we cannot but give them mobile because of our online class and because of our social connection. But we will be careful about it. What our children are watching. Thus we will be able to save from we can save our children, and they will be. Now the previous Bangladesh and today's Bangladesh is another scenario. Previously we suffered from poverty, traffic jam, mismanagement, but today we have come to another place. This year, from this year, a turning is coming. We can see a lot of work, lot of industry, lot of things. Means many job fields are being opened before us. They will offer us many jobs, but they will want our GPA. GPA 5 will get good job, means good salary. Then 4, then 3. Now, not only children, but also the parents should think it very deeply. They should not marry their children in this immature age. It is immature age when they are not fit. They do not know about how to lead themselves, how to drive themselves. Whereas we are giving them another burden, husband and children. It is nothing but a foolish activities, foolish decision. We will take care of our children, and children, if we can make them realize, or they will understand, because they are very much hopeful. We generally do not make them realize, make them understand. we are busy with our work. Side by side, we should be careful because they are our life. One day we will die, they will remain, they will occupy our post, they will enjoy our asset, everything. That is life. Most probably we have understood what is adolescence related problems. The problem comes whenever we think about their marriage. The problem comes whenever he is away from the mainstream, if he is derailed. That is, mainstream means from education and proper education. Education, but proper education. Proper, a good institution, good teachers can drive them proper education. They will understand what is life. After passing intermediate, they will go to universities. University is as like as a sea. They can see the whole world. But before, if he is carved away because of misguidance, they will be away from this beautiful life, a life of blessings. We will not go to in that life. We will shake ourselves. That is nothing, a hallucination. Life is proper education, going to proper way, a straight way, that is completing our education. Otherwise, if we fail to give them proper education, not only they will suffer, but also we will suffer. We cannot drive them away from our family, from our life. They are our generation. So we will be cautious about them. Then they will not suffer from this inhuman life. Others are not suffering, but only we are suffering. If we look at the developed country, rest of the world, you will see how other children are seeing beautiful life. We are not seeing this beautiful life. We don't want to see this frustration any longer. We want to see their jovial face and their development. Then with their smile, we want to smile. We want to at one with their prosperity. We will not let them go in a dark life. They will go a bright life. Go to a bright life. And by this time, we have understood and what is adolescence means. In this photograph, what do you see? I don't want to lose my dreams. What do they show? We force them to marry. We force them to be away. Marriage, job, and so things. We will be careful about it. It is their inward demand. This demand is not there only oral. We will create opportunities and they will enjoy it. Now we have understood what is adolescence related problem. Thank you very much. By this time our time is almost over. Thank you very much. Bye.